The Ninkasi beer fridge. It's a two-zone beer fridge which has a gigantic space for different beers. You don't have to worry about spoiling effects of sunlight as the glass door is made of anti-UV glass. It has 4 pull-out shelves made in beechwood with aluminum bottom supporting a fully 35 kilos per shelf. The cabinet also has a humidity control system which maintains optimal humidity within the fridge. The fridge has a charcoal filtration system which ensures air purity, cooling efficiency, and to maintain an odor-free cabinet. In the middle of the fridge, you'll find a LED control panel which lets you choose your preferred temperature in the range 5 to 22 degrees Celsius on a panel. You'll also find the controls for the LED lighting. When purchasing the fridge, you get spacers so you can divide each beer style into sections. You gotta remember, beer is a living thing, which has to be protected against heat and sunlight. Poor storage can lead to spoiled beer as a result of oxidation caused by heat and sunlight. If you look to mature and age your stouts, strong ales and lambics, you gotta have the right temperature as the maturation process has to be developed slowly and controlled over a decided period of time. Starting capacity. Here you see approximately 165 beers, which spans from 750s, 370s and cans. Last but not least, the cabinet has a lock. Thanks for your time. If the Ninkasi fridge interests you, visit their webpage, Instagram or Facebook and you can find the details you need to order one. Have a great day, folks.